Enhancing PowerPoint presentations. In this assignment, you will edit a presentation for the business Wendy's Wedding Wonders. As a tip, it's a good idea to review the reading and practice 1 and 2 before completing the assignment. Step 1 asks you to download and open the presentation Wendy's Wedding Wonders, and you can see I have it open here. Step 2 asks you to apply a different design theme to the presentation. So you will click on the Design tab and you can select any design theme you want. You can be creative, pick something that you think goes with the wedding theme or the way you'd like it to look. So I'm going to select this theme, or maybe I'll go back and take a look and say maybe I want this theme. So after you select your theme, you'll want to apply in step 3 the left wipe transition to all slides. So you'll click on Transitions. You want to select the wipe with the arrow pointing to the left, and you want this to apply to all slides. So you'll click to Apply All Slides. Step 4 asks you to apply a 4-second transition to advance each slide automatically within the presentation. So in the upper right corner, in the timing, you're going to put in 4 seconds, and you want to apply this to all because it's for all slides in the presentation. Step 5 asks you to view the presentation. So remember, the slideshow view is down here at the bottom. You click Slideshow, and you'll notice the presentation will just cycle through because we set it to go through every 4 seconds. When you get to the end, you press Escape on your keyboard to get back to PowerPoint. I'm going to scroll up and click on Slide 1. Step 6 asks you to save the document with the name Wendy's Wedding Wonders with your first and last name. So you'll click File and then Save. And you'll select your class folder or wherever you keep it, and you would type your name here, first and last name, and click Save. Step 7 asks you to click on the title area of slide 1 and apply a zoom animation effect. So you click on slide 1 and the title is here at the top. You'll click on the Animations tab and you'll want to scroll down until you see Zoom. Step 8 asks you to click on the subtitle on the slide 1 and apply the Grow and Turn animation effect. So you'll scroll down until you see Grow and Turn and click on that to apply it to the subtitle. Step 9 asks you to change the transition timing on 2 additional slides. So remember, we have them all set for 4 seconds, but we're going to select 2 slides to change the timing, and you can select any 2 slides you want. For this example, I'm going to select slide 3 with a chart. Click on Transition. I'm going to come over here to the timing, and maybe I'll make the transition 10 seconds. And then I'm going to select the last slide, and I'm going to change the transition here to be 6 seconds. Now you can select any 2 slides as long as you change the transition on 2 different slides. So now notice if I click on slide 1, it's a 4 second, 2 is a 4 second, and 3 is the one I changed, and it's 10 second. You can see that up in the corner here. Step 10 asks you to apply animation to objects on at least 2 slides. So you can do this on more than 2, but you must do it on at least 2 using the emphasis, exit, or motion paths effect. So first you're going to select a slide with an object. Now an object can be clip art, Your object could be your slide. It could be the clip art again here. Maybe you want this text box to be animated, or the cake, so you can select, or the banner at the end. So you can select whatever you want to animate. I'm going to select slide 4, and I'm going to click on the clip art of the wedding couple and click on animations. And then we want to use the drop down arrow, and we're looking for emphasis, exit, or motion paths. So you see there's emphasis there, exit, and the motion paths are down below. So if I hover over this, you can see what happens. And so maybe I'll select this shapes here and apply that to the couple. And now I need to pick one more slide to add some animation. So maybe I'll go back to slide 1, and this time I'm going to apply an emphasis, and maybe I'll use the spin. Again, you can use anything you want. So we've done that to 2 different slides, and step 11 asks you to resave the presentation. So you click on the save icon, and then you'll want to submit it to the week 5 assignment to Dropbox.